A camper toilet that isn't draining can be a frustrating issue, and there are several possible reasons for this problem. One common cause is hair accumulation in the toilet drain, which can be fixed by wearing protective gloves and manually removing the hair or using a plunger to dislodge it. If the drain is not straight, a toilet snake can be inserted to pull out the hair. Another possible reason for a clogged camper toilet is using too much toilet paper, which can often be resolved with a plunger. To do this, place the rubber section of the plunger over the toilet hole, covering it completely, and then pump vigorously until a gurgling noise is heard, indicating that the clog has been removed. If plunging does not work, a drain cleaner can be used. Pour the cleaner into the toilet, let it sit for about half an hour, and then carefully add hot water. After that, try plunging the toilet again and then flush it. In some cases, the problem may be caused by objects, such as toys, that have been thrown into the toilet. To fix this, put on gloves and reach into the toilet to remove any objects that are within reach. If the objects are too far down, a hook-like object, such as a cloth hanger, can be used to retrieve them. Insert the hook into the toilet and try to attach it to the object. Then gently pull it out. By considering these possible causes and following the corresponding solutions, it should be possible to unclog a camper toilet and get it draining properly again.